Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Step Ahead with Ishan. So friends, today we are going to talk about India and its physical features. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Physical features. India, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal are separated from the rest of Asia by the Himalaya mountain ranges and has a distinct geographical identity. Thus this region is called Indian subcontinent. India is a vast country and has a great variety of physical features like high mountains, extensive plains, plateaus, and fertile river valleys. India can be broadly divided into five physical divisions. First, the northern mountains. Second, the islands. Third, the peninsular plateaus. Fourth, the northern plains. Fifth, the coastal plains. The northern mountains. Several mountain ranges run in all directions from the Pamir North located in Central Asia. The Karakoram and the Himalayas are located along the northern frontier of India. These are the highest young-fold mountain ranges in the world. The Karakoram Mountains lie between the Pamir North and the Indus River in Jammu and Kashmir. This region has many glaciers such as Baltoro and Siachen and a number of snow-covered mountain peaks. Mount Godwin Austen or K2 is the highest peak in this range and the second highest peak in the world. Towards the south of the Karakoram range are the Ladakh and the Zanskar ranges. The Indus River in Kashmir region flows between these ranges. The Himalayas extend from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east. Himalaya means the abode of snow. There are many passes in the Himalayas such as the Shipkila in the Himachal Pradesh, Nathula in Sikkim and Bomdila in Arunachal Pradesh. There are also many valleys such as Kashmir Valley and Kangra Valley. Several big rivers originate from the Himalayas. Most of them flow through the northern plains and fall either into Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges from north to south. These are the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. The height of these ranges decreases from north to south. The Himadri. The Himadri or the Greater Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. Most of the mountain peaks here are permanently under snow. Mount Everest in Nepal-China border is the highest peak in the world. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas. Nanga Parbat in Jammu and Kashmir and Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand are some of the important peaks in India. The Himachal. The Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas lie towards the south of the Himadri. The important mountain ranges are the Pir Panjal and the Dhauladhar. The Jammu and Kashmir highway passes through the Banihal Pass located in the Pir Panjal range. Many popular hill stations such as Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling are situated in these mountain ranges. The Shivalik. The Shivalik or the outer Himalayas are the southernmost mountain ranges. These ranges are made up of loose deposits of soft rocks, mud and silt. Thus, landslides are common in this part of Himalayas. Some narrow valleys called dunes are found in this region. Dehradun is situated in one such valley. The Purvanchal Ranges. The Purvanchal Ranges are found along the eastern boundary of India. They form a series of low hills. They have Patkai Bum and the Naga Hills in the north and the Mizo Hills in the south. The central part has the Garo Khasi and Jaintia Hills. So friends, now it's time to end this session. Hope you guys liked it, and if did so then please like, share, subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon too, ताकि आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले। और जैसा कि आप लोग जानते ही हैं कि अब मैं इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे भी आ गया हूँ, तो वहाँ पे भी मुझे प्लीज़ फॉलो कर दीजिएगा। सो टिल देन स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, जय हिंद, जय भारत।